Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube.
I'm hungry. I want to go find some place to eat. No, we've eaten there a lot. No, that place is boring. I don't want to eat a place boring. That's. Ooh, this looks like fun. Hey, you want to drive over to Tennessee? Yeah, let's do this. You know, I always try to find a place that's different. Now, it's a little bit of a drive. Now, it's going to take us about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get there, but I think it's going to be worth it. So, come along, let's go.
Today we're in Johnson City, Tennessee. Now this place is wacky and wild. Can't wait to go eat in this place. Come on, let's go try them out. All right, everything just came to our table here and it came out fast. I mean, we just ordered, it seemed like 3 seconds ago. I'm just in awe right now. If you guys can see this food, we got a homemade tamale right here. Okay, homemade tamale.
I have the tamale platter.
Look at that sandwich. Come towards me and look at this bowl of homemade chili. The plate de tacos. 3 different kinds. All right, we're about to dive into this food and we're gonna see how this is. I'm gonna take a taste of everything and then I'm gonna come back and report to you guys how good this food is or how not good it is. We're gonna see. All right, I'm excited. Here we go.
And the Maytag.
All right, what was in this bowl?
What was in this bowl was Maytag chips with blue cheese dressing.
Oh. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but when I have any type of soup, I like it to be really hot. So I'm gonna jump into the chili first because I want my chili to be hot. So here we go. We're gonna try this chili. Look at that. It's got beans, meat, cheese. All right, guys, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, click that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell. You never know when we're going to be in your area. And give us a big thumbs up like if you like the videos that we're doing. It really does help the channel. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I'm not kidding you, that's good. That just about make you want to slap your mama. I'm moving to the tacos. Okay, we've got a chicken taco, a traditional beef taco, and then a bang bang shrimp taco. I'm gonna start with the traditional. Oh no, first. We got some homemade salsa here. I gotta put on my tacos. I'm gonna put it just on the bang bang shrimp and on the chicken. And the reason I did that is because my wife would like to eat a good portion of this beef taco, so I'm gonna let her do that. And she's not a big salsa fan, so we're gonna do. Here we go, beef taco. Chicken taco. I can tell you how this is. Okay. Oh, I'm going into the big end. I'm going into the. Oh yes. Bang bang shrimp. That's not just one or two shrimp. Look at the shrimp on that taco. Look at that.
Oh, facts. I'm about to subscribe. Which one is it? It's the first one.
Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube.
Okay, that's called bang bang. That means just 2 shots. That's emptying the entire clip right there. That's bang 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 all day long. That's good.
Okay, guys, when I saw this on the menu, this is what I really got excited for. Homemade tamale, traditional corn husk. Tamales are traditionally wrapped and cooked in corn husks. Look at this, the revealing of the tamale. Look, just gaze in wonder. Yum. Okay, I'm now gonna rank the tacos. 3, 2, and 1 of my favorite. Okay, here we go. Ranking the tacos, my favorite, bronze, silver, and gold. Coming in at 3rd place, it is still a good 3rd place, is the traditional beef taco. Beef taco, you get the bronze medal. Of traditional Mexican food, tamale is one of my favorites. I love tamales. So we're gonna see how theirs measures up here. It's nice, moist. This went right through. So I got the traditional pork tamale, and it comes with a dipping sauce. So we're gonna dip right here into the dipping sauce. Here we go. That's all I gotta say about that. That's all I gotta say about that. Coming in at 2nd place on the podium with the silver medal is the chicken. That means winning the gold medal, the number 1 place on top of the podium is the bang, 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 bang shrimp taco. This thing is excellent. I would definitely recommend the bang bang shrimp. Our server said this was the best one, and she did not lie. Bang bang shrimp taco, get it. I know that was a big bite, but I don't care. I don't care if it's bad manners. This is so good. Oh, my. Yes. Tamales, you must get when you come here. And now I want to order more. But I've got plenty, so I'm not going to this time. It'll just give me a reason to come back. It'll give me a reason to come back, and I'm going to order every flavor they've got of these tamales. Okay, back to my chili.
Don't forget the key lime pies.
Probably the strawberry cake or the raspberry fusion. Both are phenomenal.
Gotta get desserts here.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. Cootie, he knows what he's doing. He's got some awesome recipes. If you're ever in Johnson City, make sure you swing by this place, Cootie Brown's. Don't drive by. Come on in, get a spot. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.